Youth Summer Employment Program has been one of the best programs, yes, one of the best programs that has been introduced to us as young people of Jamaica. In the summer of 2017, I was introduced to the program by my counselor. And when he introduced it to me, I thought it was any normal summer job, sitting down inside the office, doing the filing. But to my surprise, the tasks given, they were not my expectations, as I would work towards community development through streetlight audits, and would also do indigent person listing.
We were out there going around checking light posts and so forth, and going around to barber shop, hairdressing and so forth, to find out how best they are coping there, and getting some information regarding taxes and so forth.
In going into these communities, we were tasked the jobs of course, conducting a survey to the persons on the street, asking them about the area with regards to water, light, and also criminal activities. We were also to conduct a survey of the street lights, into finding out which one is working during the day, which is not supposed to happen, which one is not working during the night, which is also not supposed to happen, and which one does not work at all. Another task that we were granting is going to each shops and ensuring that they're registered. But we found a bit of trouble when we went to certain shops because persons were a bit timid to state whether or not they were registered. Possibly because they are afraid if their shop to be closed down or such.
We started with 2,700. We went up to 3,500 last year, and we are looking close to 4,000 young people in this year. The success of the program speaks for itself. The government was able this year to pay off the outstanding arrears of 7 billion Jamaican dollars to the Jamaica Public Service, and now we are debt-free because of the contribution of the youth service workers in providing the data that was required. Another area where we have seen improved revenue collections was in the area of trade license. Again, young people right across the country went out, collect the data, where because of your efforts, the local authorities was able to collect in excess of $230 million in the last financial year.
Local government, to me, is really the arm of the government that looks towards a more holistic developmental approach for communities. So whereas central government would focus on the broad running of a country, the local government in and of itself ensures that the communities are actually kept up, the communities are developed, that persons within the community are developed.
The local government is really a way of assisting persons that are within the community, persons who are a bit needy, persons who cannot help themselves.
We retain some 200 of you who are now working full-time within the municipalities across the country. We intend this year to do the same, another 200 of you. The 200 of you that will be retained, we're not just going to put you into the MCs just like that. We're going to put you through a certification program through the Artrust NTA. We are going further. We have identified 2 areas where that skill set within local government is lacking, in urban planning and in the area of technical competence. It is the intention of the ministry to offer 6 scholarships in the 2 discipline areas. And these scholarships will cost some 350,000 Jamaican dollars in urban planning and technical services. We need those services in local government